simply start the recording by clicking on the icon in the top right corner. You can choose which functionality, either full screen, full camera, or screen and camera. So let's start recording. And students, we have our Module 5 that we're going to review today. Let's look at Part 2. And if you'll notice the assessments in Part 2, etc. So once you go through that, you simply stop the recording by pressing up on the top right corner, and the video processes, and it's ready to go shortly. You can change the title of it. You can also share the link. You can come down and choose from which animated thumbnail you want to use, and it's ready to play and preview. You can also share the link. If you copy the link, I copied the link and the thumbnail. Now you can take that thumbnail, go into Blackboard, go into an announcement, and you've got the announcement ready to go. You can create that announcement, copy and paste that announcement or link into the announcement like so. And it appears, and you send the copy possibly to the email and click send. And off the video and the link goes to your students in Vidyard. And that's using Vidyard to record a message and a screen capture to your students.